Hi, today is Monday, June 8th, 2026. So we don't have any more holidays for this month. So 3 weeks straight we have to work very hard. And then July comes around. That's the summer vacation time. So let's do our best for working hard in June. This article is from Unwaste the Planet, and it's about China, right? Solar energy meets chemistry. China's breakthrough reactor transforms sunlight and air into aviation-grade kerosene without fossil fuels. Now, that sounds like alchemy out of nothing, right? You make kerosene out of nothing. If this is kind of a scientifically unfounded, I will just unfollow, unwaste the planet. China's Dalian Institute of Chemical Physics has developed a revolutionary solar-powered reactor that converts sunlight, air, and water into liquid jet fuel without relying on fossil fuels or oil drilling. The system mimics natural photosynthesis at an industrial scale, using concentrated solar energy to drive a thermochemical reaction that produces carbon-neutral kerosene. Thermochemical reaction, right, that produces carbon-neutral kerosene. Interesting. So kerosene is carbon neutral. That's bullshit. The reactor operates through a two-stage process. First, concentrated light hits a cerium oxide chamber to 1,400 to 1,500 degrees Celsius, breaking down carbon dioxide and water vapor into carbon monoxide and hydrogen, a mixture known as syngas. This syngas is then processed through fischer tropsch synthesis, where catalysts bond the molecules into hydrocarbon chains with 9 to 16 carbon atoms, creating jet fuel that meets aviation standards. This prototype currently produces approximately 1 liter of kerosene per day with over 95% purity. Scaling calculations suggest that a 100 square meter reactor module could yield 1,000 liters daily. That's a lot, 1 ton, right? Sufficient to fuel small aircraft and drones. The system operates as a closed loop with zero net CO2 emissions, since only the carbon captured from the air is incorporated into the fuel. As the technology enters pilot testing with China's aerospace industry, this innovation could transform aviation by enabling aircraft to operate on clean, locally generated fuel produced at airports or remote solar installations. Images are generated by AI and for demonstration purposes only. Source: Dalian Institute of Chemical Physics, Chinese Academy of Sciences, 2024. So it's not a recent one, it's a 2 years old research. 2 years ago. Solar thermochemical reactor for aviation fuel production, TICP research publications. So it's a solar thermochemical reactions for aviation fuel. So basically, reactor operates through a two-stage process. First, concentrated sunlight hits a cerium oxide chamber to 1,400 1400 to 1500 degrees Celsius, breaking down carbon dioxide and water vapor into carbon monoxide, that's a poisonous gas, and hydrogen, a mixture known as a syngas, right? Synthetic gas, syngas. So syngas is a carbon dioxide and water vapor. This syngas is then processed through fischer-tropsch synthesis, where catalysts bond the molecules into hydrocarbon chains with 9 to 16 carbon atoms, creating jet fuel that meets aviation standards. So carbon monoxide and hydrogen turns into 9 to 16 carbon atoms, right? Hydrocarbon chains. That's fucking interesting. Oh, I feel sleepy. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye bye.